In this video, you'll learn how to delete your browsing history on eBay. This process will help you manage your recently viewed items and enhance your privacy while using the platform. Start by logging into your eBay account using a desktop web browser. Enter your credentials and click on the Sign In button. Once you are logged in, navigate to the home page where you will find the Recently Viewed section. This area displays the items you have recently looked at, allowing you to review your browsing history. Identify the products you wish to remove from your browsing history. If you want to clear all items, look for the Clear All option, which should be located near the recently viewed items. Click on this option. If prompted, confirm the action to finalize the deletion of all items. Alternatively, if you prefer to remove individual items, each item should have a remove option next to it. Click on this option for each item you wish to delete. After removing the desired items, refresh the page to ensure that the changes take effect. It is important to confirm that the items you wanted to delete are no longer visible in your recently viewed section. This step ensures that your browsing history has been successfully updated. For additional privacy protection, consider clearing your browser cache. This can typically be done through your browser settings. After clearing the cache, log out of your eBay account and then log back in to verify that the changes have been applied. If you are concerned about tracking, you may also want to disable tracking cookies and adjust your privacy settings within your browser. Regularly reviewing your browsing activity is a good practice for maintaining your privacy and security. By managing your browsing history on eBay and taking additional steps to protect your information, you can enhance your overall account security. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.